Hey guys, I know what you're thinking. This is a real gun. No, it is. Look, there's plastic right here. And look at this. This doesn't look like real. It kinda does how it's all metal. Well, hello guys, and I'm gonna be talking about this 1970s cap gun. See right here, you would put little things right here, and then you would oh, it doesn't. Yeah, so right here would have went some little red piece. Fell off though, I think. And if you will get confused with the 1950s version, that one shows an Indian right here. Yeah. So this is 70s. Pretty cool. And so it's about where 20 to 15 bucks, mint condition. Yeah. So join in for my next video. You know, I won't spoil anything, but I'm having the next video, like in a couple minutes, probably. Okay, bye.